If you're getting the message, sorry TikTok isn't available right now on your Android phone, this video will help you fix it. Unfortunately, TikTok can be restricted in some countries or regions, but don't worry, there's an easy way to get around it. Let me show you how. For those who already have TikTok installed, try this first method. Method 1. Change Playstore region. Setting a different region to Playstore will allow you to download apps that are restricted in your country. So open the Playstore app. Now tap on your profile in the top right corner. This will open your account section. Then tap on Settings. From there, you'll have to tap on General. This will expand more settings. So now you have to tap on Account and Device Preferences. Select the country you want to switch to. If the option is invisible, you may need to use the VPN. After this is done, close and reopen the Play Store to see the content for the new region. This time, you should be able to install TikTok just fine. Method 2. Use a VPN. Using a reliable VPN will let you access TikTok even if it's banned in your country. Go to the Play Store. Search for a VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. For this video, I'll use ProtonVPN. Now install this VPN app. After it's done, open it. Then let it sync with your phone any location for a while. Then simply tap Connect on the home menu. With this, you should be automatically set to a region outside your country. Now if you go back to your TikTok app, you should be able to open it just fine. This method was for users who already have installed TikTok. For those who are trying to install it from the Play Store, you can try the second method. So those were the solutions to fix the unavailable TikTok problem on Android. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.